Hello everyone. Today we are going to introduce you to a software program called PipeSelect. PipeSelect is a software program that can be used to calculate or verify pipe thickness based on internal pressure. If you work in the process piping area, you may need to select a pipe or verify thickness of a selected pipe based on internal pressure. ASME B31.3 is a common code utilized in North America and many other parts of the world that contains requirements for piping typically found in petroleum refineries, chemical, pharmaceutical, and other industries. PipeSelect is a software program we developed at engineering stream that can be used to calculate the required thickness and select a pipe based on internal pressure per ASME B31.3 code rules. PipeSelect is a user-friendly software program. The program has a built-in library that contains mechanical properties of many carbon, low alloy, and stainless steel materials. The program also has a built-in library that contains many common pipe sizes and schedules per ANSI ASME B36.10M standard, starting from half an inch NPS to 48-inch NPS. The user is expected to have a basic understanding of engineering and code knowledge before using the software. The software is meant for common applications. Specialized cases need to be evaluated carefully by the user using other appropriate methods. Minimum design metal temperature (MDMT) needs to be verified by the user based on appropriate code rules. Also, design based on external pressure needs to be verified by the user based on appropriate code sections. A free trial of the software with limited pipe selection can be mailed upon request. The full version of PipeSelect is attractively priced for individual users. Customers willing to buy the full version can contact us at engineeringstream11@gmail.com. Please note that the software program comes with limited liability. We will now do a demonstration of the PipeSelect software. So you need to put in your username and password, and you have to agree to the terms and conditions provided below before using the software. We'll hit the submit button and the program opens. So we need to populate the basic information as shown here in the boxes, such as client, project names, etc. We need to enter the internal design gauge pressure in PSIG. The units given here are all imperial units or inch-pound units. Let's say the internal design gauge pressure is 1000 PSIG. The design temperature, let's pick a number, say 600 degree F, and we need to select one of the materials from the list given here. So this list contains the most common carbon, low alloy, and stainless steel materials. Let's pick a common carbon steel material, that is ASTM A106 grade B. The stress value of the material is appropriately picked from a library and displayed here. we need to pick the pipe size and schedule. Let's consider 4-inch standard wall. And the pipe OD, the nominal wall thickness and the minimum wall thickness, they are populated in the boxes. We need to enter other parameters such as the quality factor, weld joint reduction factor, coefficient Y, as well as the corrosion allowance. And then we hit calculate. Here the program verifies two conditions per the code rules. The first condition is the pressure design thickness T needs to be lesser than D/6. In this case, the first condition is acceptable. The second condition is P/SE should be lesser than or equal to 0.385. The second condition is acceptable as well. If the conditions are not acceptable, if either one of these conditions are not acceptable, we need to use alternate rules. So, and then we notice here that the selected pipe thickness is not acceptable and we need to reselect the thickness. It means the pipe thickness we selected is thinner than what is required. So let's go and try to pick a thicker wall. And let's pick 4-inch SCED 80 in place of 4-inch SCED 40 and rerun this program. Hit calculate again. And in this case, the selected pipe thickness is considered acceptable. If you want to look at the report, you can go to the next tab and then we can look at the print preview as well. So the report can be printed in the format shown here. It contains the basic information such as the client name, project name, etc. The input information we put in and the output information the program calculates. We can go to the next tab and there's a help section. It gives us some basic information regarding how to use the program. And in the about section, the contact information for engineering stream is given. So if you want to save the input data into a text file, that can be done. We just have to use file, save, and we need to save the input information in the form of a text file. Let's call it example2.txt. Then when we want to refresh this, we can hit new, and if you want to get the saved data, we need to go and open the text file, the example2 we created, and open it, and the information is populated. But to verify any changes, we need to hit calculate again to make sure the program reads the right information, the latest information. That is all about our software program PipeSelect. If you are interested in getting a free trial software, or if you want to purchase the full version, contact us at engineeringstream11@gmail.com. And thanks for watching the video.